Hey guys, and welcome to the market analysis and price predictions for PEPE coin. So make sure you watch till the end of the video because I will share with you my strategy and the exact entry and exit price targets for this market. So currently the price is retesting this support area around the 0.145 level. And if you look closely at the recent price action, there is a trend line, a downward trend line being formed over here. So if you notice, whenever the price approaches this trend line, it tends to rebound away from this trend line. So for example, when the price approaches this trend line for the first time, it rebounded and hit for lower prices. When it approaches it again, it rebounded again. When it approaches it for the third time, it also managed to rebound away from the trend line. So this is one thing that you need to take note of. The second thing to take note of is that there is a consolidation of price candles around this support area. So what you can see is sort of like a cluster of small candles being formed around this support area. So whenever you see a consolidation of candles within the support area, it seems to suggest that there is a selling pressure being built up over here. Because if you think of it this way, if let's say the buyers are in control and the buyers have enough strength, they will be able to push the price up immediately whenever the price approaches this support area. But right now, instead of seeing the price going up immediately, we're seeing multiple small candles being formed over here at the support area. So it kind of signifies the indecisiveness between the buyers and the sellers. So right now, because if let's say I want to short sell this market, I will anticipate the price to break below this level and head for lower prices. So if let's say I want to short sell this market, I will put a sell limit order just below this consolidation. I'll indicate E for my entry. My stop loss will be above this consolidation. I'll indicate S for my stop loss. My take profit target, I will generally have two take profit targets for this particular setup. The first take profit target would be here. So I'll indicate TP1, where I will exit half of my position. So I'll put 0.5. The second take profit level will be at this support area. I'll put TP2 and I'll exit the other half of my position. So let me recap. I'll put a sell limit order just below this consolidation around the 0.1377 level. My stop loss will be just above this consolidation around the 0.1711 level. I will close out half of my position at this level around the 0.1080 level. I'll close out another half of my position at the 0.0826 level. Alright, so this is the entry setup and take profit targets for a short sell position. If let's say you want to go long on this market, I have another strategy for you. So what I'll do is, let me just plot out the lines again. This is the downward trend line. Alright, so if let's say I want to go long on this market, you notice that there is this downward trend line, and just now I mentioned that whenever the price approaches this downward trend line, it tends to rebound away from the trend line. All right, so if let's say you want to go long, you want to be able to see that the buyers are in control. So what I'll do is I'll wait for the price to break above this trend line, and once it breaks above this trend line, it kind of signifies that the buyers are sort of in control. And when the price managed to break through this trend line, I'll wait for a bull flag pattern. Now a bull flag pattern should look like this, where there is multiple small candles being formed around this area. And whenever you see a bull flag pattern being formed, I will put my buy limit order around here, just above the bull flag pattern. I will indicate E as my entry. My stop loss will be just below this bull flag pattern. I'll indicate as S for my stop loss. And if let's say the price were to break above this bull flag pattern, my buy limit order will be triggered and I'll take profit around this level, around this swing high, and I'll indicate TP as my take profit. So just to recap, wait for the price to, if let's say you want to go long on this market, wait for the price to break above this trend line over here, wait for a bull flag pattern, and then you set your buy limit order above this bull flag pattern and put your stop loss just below this bull flag pattern over here. And if let's say the price were to break above this level and your entry order is being triggered, set your take profit at this swing high over here at around the 0.2598. Alright, so these are all the price targets that you need to take note of if you're trading this market. Of course, do your own research before you enter the markets and only trade what you can lose. Alright, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and until then, I will see you in the next video.